New Xbox system update is rolling out right now, so let's check what's new. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So there's a new system update available for Xbox One and Xbox Series consoles. It's rolling out right now. So let's check what this particular update brings to the table. So this is official Xbox website where they list all the changes. And the first one is a change to Discord. So when your Discord account is linked to Xbox, you can join voice channels from your Discord servers directly from your Xbox console. Starting today, you will be able to see the Xbox game tags of your Discord friends while you are connected to Discord voice from your Xbox. This makes it easier to add each other as Xbox friends and send each other Xbox game invites. So not a massive change really, but one of those smaller that makes life easier, I guess. There's a new sort and filter option in the Microsoft Store on Xbox.com. So it's more for like a website, not necessarily Xbox. It's easier than ever to find your next favorite Xbox games and entertainment in the Microsoft Store on Xbox. Now there are new sort and filter options on the pages you can browse on Xbox.com and or your Xbox console that pull in price, subscriptions, supported languages and accessibility features to find the perfect games for you. So another smaller change that makes, I guess, searching for games a little bit easier. A bug fix really for Xbox controllers, especially Xbox Elite controllers. So keeping your controller updated with the latest software maximizes your controller's capabilities and compatibility. We are rolling out a firmware update that includes bug fixes for unexpected slow battery drain in controllers with internal batteries like Xbox Elite Series 2 and Xbox Adaptive controllers, the Xbox rechargeable battery. So they also talk about how to change some things anyway. By the way, in order to do that, you still have to update your controller after that update. So it's not that you just update the console. Once you update the console, then you have to connect your controller via cable to your Xbox and update it too. So make sure you do that, right? There's also a bug fix for controllers. Hold on, this section here. Oh, bloody hell. There is also a bug fix for controllers that disconnect in games when using headphones with 4K, 120 Hz and VRR enabled. You can update your controller wirelessly or with a USB connection. Okay, you can update it wirelessly too. But anyway, you have to update your controller manually anyway, so make sure you do that. There's some changes to Xbox Game Pass quests. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate and Console Plan members can earn Microsoft rewards points by playing games from the Xbox Games Pass library. Starting today, we are experimenting with different experiences to make quests easier to find. Xbox Game Pass quests in your profile are moving from the gaming tab to the new rewards tab. You can also jump to them quickly by pressing the Xbox button to open the guide, choosing profile and system, selecting your profile, and then choosing my rewards. As we roll this out, a random subset of users will be able to give it a try. So it's not for everyone, I guess. It looks like it's just for selected users. And that's it, guys. So nothing major, really. It's one of those smaller updates that don't necessarily bring new features per se, but it just brings some quality improvements, quality life improvements. I think that's how it's called, right? So yeah, nice update, not a big one, not a major one, and I'm sure that there's going to be some more updates in the coming months. Usually they drop some bigger changes around like summer, spring and autumn, so I would imagine that they will bring some changes later this year, like dashboard change. Like they are still actually testing dashboard changes and stuff. Apparently the latest dashboard update, which is available for just beta testers, for the alpha users, I think they called, it's pretty good, right? So that's good. Anyway, guys, so that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care.